can, your best friend can. So it's part of your playbook is establishing who does what, when, where, and why. So the why. Why do I want them to help me? Why do I want them to help me? Well, my best friend is a great talker. We've been best friends for 20 years, and I have a problem opening up to people. And my best friend is patient. Well, my doctor can help me because I have high anxiety or I'm fighting depression. And you could talk to your doctor about getting prescribed medication or getting a referral for going to counseling. And your pastor, you could talk to your pastor about things that you can't talk to your best friend about, you can't talk to your spouse about. So all you have to establish the role of your social support. And your social support may not be um, five people, right? Your social support may only be three people is on your social support, right? So, but you still have to identify their roles in your life, and you also have to identify your role. Why are you embarking upon this journey? Why is this important to you? The why of trying to establish any goal is important. Why do you want to change this? Well, the reason why I want to change it is because let me see what I have. Oh, because I have depression. I fight with depression. And I don't like reaching out to people for help. But I know in order to be the best me, I need the help. I need to learn to talk to people, right? So this may be you. That may be a reason. So the why. Why you may be thinking, I like being by myself. I don't like asking for help, but I need the help, right? We just went over that. Or when you move from problem talk to solution talk, you are saying, I need the help. Um, I struggle with anxiety and meeting new people. This is the why. And um, it's time. Let's see. And these are thoughts that you're having as you're completing it. Um, it's time for me to start my own self care, right? So your own self care um, is right here, starting right here. I would like to reach out to my support team when I am feeling overwhelmed because I struggle with anxiety, I struggle with depression, I'm easily overwhelmed, and I just need someone to talk to. And usually, when I feel overwhelmed, I shut down, I hide, right? I shut out my emotional support team. That's what I do when I'm emotionally overwhelmed. The why also has to do with your overall mental health, or it could be your spiritual health. It could be something, this could be for something as simple, which is not simple, and I don't mean to minimize it. Starting to read your Bible, getting on a weekly or monthly or daily plan to read your Bible. So let's say I want to read my Bible more, right? What are my strengths? I like reading. I like learning. Um, I like my church. Um, Okay, we'll leave that. So what are my obstacles? Work, family, my own mental health, and putting things off. You may be the type of person that put things off